This might be one of the shortest videos that I've made on YouTube. This video is not a short, but it is a short full video on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay for Snapchat Plus for as low as 25 Ghana cedis for a year. Yes, you heard me right. Previously, I made a video on how you can upgrade your Snapchat account, and I think most of you guys are not getting the points. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can upgrade your Snapchat account in order to get to the discovery page to grow your business on Snapchat. But on today's video, I'm going to elaborate on how you can pay for Snapchat Plus for less than 25 Ghana cedis. It's actually 22 Ghana cedis or so on Snapchat for a year. This sounds weird, but that is the fact. So if today happens to be the first time watching my video on YouTube, my name is Brian, and what we do here is to learn how to make money online using various sectors, either social media, importation, anything at all. How to make money online is what we do right over here. So without wasting much time, I'll ask you to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any educative video, you will be one of the first persons to grab this particular opportunity. Can you leave this in the comment section if you don't understand anything about this particular video, or any video suggestion that you would like me to work on in the comment section, and I'll do that as soon as possible. Can you like this video so that YouTube is going to push this particular video to potential viewers so that they can enjoy this particular offer as well. Without wasting much time, let's get back to the video. So for Snapchat lovers, we all know the benefits of Snapchat Plus, and if you are new to Snapchat and you want to know the benefits of Snapchat Plus, these are some of the goodies or the benefits you're going to get when you subscribe to Snapchat Plus.
So before we start, you can follow me on Snapchat, set for Brian updates, and I'm on Snapchat. You can direct all your messages to me. You're going to get custom app themes. You're going to be able to set chat wallpapers, pin your #1 best friend, also post view emoji, friends in chat. There are a lot. You can see a lot of them right over here.
Yes, you're going to get all these, and for the existing Snapchat users, this is one of the best offers that we can get on the Snapchat Plus. Yes, subscribing to Snapchat Plus, this is one of the best offers, because people are paying 100 cedis, 50 cedis, 200 cedis for Snapchat Plus, and the subscription is not even up to a year. It is around 6 months or 3 months, but with this method it is annually, yes, up to a year. So it is very simple. This is how you can do it.
So simply open your app store. Normally you will do it in your Snapchat account, but this time around don't do it in the Snapchat account. Simply go to your app store, then you can locate your profile picture on the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and you can select subscriptions. As you can see right over here, subscriptions. Tap on it and wait for it to load. So you can see all the subscriptions which is active right over here, and I'll simply tap on Snapchat. You will see Snapchat. You will tap on Snapchat. I'll blur some of the subscriptions for security reasons and other stuffs. Then you tap on see all plans. Yes, I'm currently on the Snapchat Plus, and I've subscribed for the annual plan again. So you can tap on see all plans, and right over here you're gonna see Snapchat Plus monthly plan, Snapchat Plus, so everything right over here. So when you scroll down, you're going to see Snapchat Plus, which is the annual plan for $1.99, of which 1.99 is around 23 cedis, 24 cedis right now.
Yeah, so if you don't have a Visa card or a MasterCard, I have a video on how you can get a Visa card, which is in my shorts. Yes, which is in my shorts. So kindly subscribe and watch that particular video to get yourself a Visa card or a MasterCard to make payments on any website. Yes, you can use this Visa card to make payments on any website. Online purchases and online payments are being supported by this particular virtual card. So if you want quick tips which I can't share here on regular basis, simply join my Telegram channel, or you can join my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and all other social media platforms. I drop updates there as soon as they drop on the internet. So thank you very much for watching this. I hope you can even use this for your business. Yes, you can charge people 100 cedis and subscribe for 25 cedis for them and get your profits. So thank you very much for watching this. Let me know in the comment section if this is helpful or not. Let's meet on the next one.